Hi there! Welcome to ZHEEVO Manufacturing Base, which covers more than 12,000 square meters in Shenzhen City. ZHEEVO is professional manufacturer on all-in-one PC, mini PC, LCD monitor, desktop computer products. Since its established in 2015 year, ZHEEVO has developed more than 30 different product models, which includes entry-level, business office, gaming PC product categories. 10 years journey, ZHEEVO gains numerous honorary titles, such as National High-Tech Enterprise, Shenzhen Science and Technology Innovative Enterprise, etc. ZHEEVO provides green working environment for more than 120 employees. We have a passionate and responsive sales and customer service team, professional IDMD and electronic engineers team, skilled assemble workers. To ensure the product's quality, we have in-plant laboratory, which can operate constant temperature and humidity test, drop test, transport vibration test, wear test, etc. At the same time, our verified laboratory provides CE, FCC, RoHS, EMC, SI, KC, BSI, etc. test report service. ZHEEVO Model Tooling and Plastic Injection Workshop, equipped with the advanced precision machine tool, can accept ODM order that help customers to realize creativity. Every parts will be executed strict IQC to meet with MIL STD 105E standard before they are stored into the materials warehouse. ZHEEVO insists the strict SOP in mass production with clear and scientific management to ensure the excellent product quality. With more than 80 skilled assemble workers on the automatic assembly line and aging test line, ZHEEVO output 500 to 1,000 pieces, complete sets, computer and barebone every day. ZHEEVO provides OEM ODM SKD CKD service to customers worldwide. Upholding Unite Efficiency Responsibility. Working style, practical, harmony, gratitude, business philosophy. ZHEEVO team welcome customers to visit our company sincerely and build long-term win-win cooperation relationship. Feel free to contact with ZHEEVO team. WhatsApp, WeChat, +86-18123965101. Email sales@zheevo.com. Website www.zheevo.com.